Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter complex number from phase 3, exercise 1, and we have reached question 19. All right. Looks like a very long question. Okay. Find the value of the expression. So we have a series given to us and we have to find the value. Okay. Just explore it. 1 into 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, where omega is imaginary cube root of unity. All right. So just look at nth term here or rth term here. This is going to be, so rth term is r minus 1 into r minus omega into r minus omega square, right? Let me write my omega better. So r minus omega square. This is, so let's explore what is it actually. So r minus 1 into r minus 1 into r square minus omega r minus omega square r plus omega cube. Okay. Now here, if we take minus r common, we get omega plus omega square. And we know about cube root of unity, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So omega plus omega square can be written as minus 1. So this becomes okay. So what is my TR looking like? R minus 1 into r square plus r, and omega cube is 1. Very good. So what is it? What this we know from our algebraic identity. X minus 1, x square plus x plus 1, it is nothing but cube. So r cube minus 1, difference of two cubes. So this is my TR, and the expression that then it is nothing about summation of TR over r is equal to 2 to, okay, I can, yeah, it is 2 minus 1. 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. So 2 to n. 2 to n. Then here also summation, here also summation. Same, 2 to n. Now we know then what is the value of r cube when r goes from 1 to n. So it is nothing but minus 1. And minus, we know r goes to 1 to n. 1 to n. 1 is again n. Okay, let's say this, let's not complicate this. R is going from n to 2 to n. So we know this is equal to n minus 1. N plus 1 minus 1. Yeah, okay. So this is nothing but n into n plus 1 whole square, this whole thing, minus 1 minus, this is n minus 1. So if you can open it, 1 will get cancelled. And this is n into n plus 1 whole square, this whole square minus n. This, if we just solve it, this is what we are going to get. So this is all about this. So this question, what was in this question actually? This question was about getting to a common term or the rth term, getting to a rth term, solving it and making it into known summation. We know the summation of cubes, and then just writing the value and using the roots, cube root of unity concept here. That's what. Thank you.